PUMA has you covered with the MB.04 Loose White, an easily digestible triple white style update for Lamelo's hallmark shoe, in case he decides to capitalize on outdoor ball season or if you intend to follow in his footsteps. You may have missed the sneaker news post announcing the PUMA MB.04 Low, but in addition to the obvious height modification, you'll notice several hardware alterations. For this shortened lifespan, the Phoenix badge is moved from the tongue to a tangible emblem on the heel, and the TPU cages practically disappear into the mesh foundation. Except for the laces and the engineered mesh base layer, all of these new design elements are ghostly white, making the glossier, brighter portions on top of them even more noticeable. Like the majority of Lamelo ball sneakers, the PUMA MB.04 Loose White is anticipated to come in adult and GS sizes for $115.